In this video, we will demonstrate how to document your completed Rotary District 6970 grant project and submit the information for final approval and reimbursement. This video assumes you have watched the Accessing the Grants page video and have a grant already submitted and approved. When your project is complete, you will need to upload your accounting for the project, including bank statements, a paper trail for all donations, receipts for anything purchased, and explanations for any deviation from the approved project. You also need to upload at least 3 photographs of the project. Action pictures of Rotarians at work are always appreciated, as well as pictures of the final result. If the project is improving an existing site, before and after pictures are great as well. When you upload documents, please rename them on your local computer before uploading them. The uploaded file names cannot have any spaces or special characters. Please limit your file names to the letters A through Z, the numbers 0 through 9, and the underscore symbol. Use of other characters could prevent the auditors from viewing the files, resulting in the delay or denial of your reimbursement. It may seem like overkill, but it's a good practice to download all documents after your upload to make sure they can be downloaded and opened in the appropriate application. Let's upload our project pictures first. We open the grant by clicking the pencil icon. Then we move to the Documents tab. And we're going to put our pictures in the Images folder. Then click Upload File. Click Browse and find the image on your file system. And then click Upload File. And then you repeat this process for as many images as you want. We do require at least 3 images for your project. When you're done uploading the images, click the Home and then right next to Navigation to return to the top of the Documents folder. Now let's review how to submit your financial information. Creating an overview document that details your project is the most audit-friendly way to submit your final report. In this case, I used an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to jump to that spreadsheet now. My spreadsheet contains the following information: the name of the lead club in the grant number, which can be found in the top of the grant page in DACDB. We list all the income sources, in this case $28,000 transferred from the Rotary Club of Flagler Beach's operating account to our grant account, and we document that with the bank statement from the grant account. And we have the Rotary Club of Flagler County's $9,000 check, which we also scanned and will be uploading. And then we list our expenses. We had a $500 deposit we gave the dealership, check number 123, and we have the receipt for the deposit and a scanned copy of the check. We had $36,000 on the balance of the van, check number 124, once again the receipt and the check number. And the last expense is for wrapping the vehicle. We estimated that at $500. It came in only at $400. In this case, the club member paid for it himself with a credit card, and this is a transaction to show that we are reimbursing him. Once again, we have the receipt and we have the check. So explain in detail why there's a check being written to a member. Also indicate why the cost difference. It's $100 less than was budgeted, and that's important for us to know. When my spreadsheet is complete, I save it, I return the DACDB, and I upload the appropriate files. So I upload the grant report spreadsheet. And then my supporting documents, I have the bank statement, which shows the 2 deposits and the 3 checks. I have the scanned check from the Flagler County Club to show that they did pay the money. I have the receipt for the balance of the van, the receipt for the deposit, and the receipt for the wrapping. I'm not going to make you watch me upload all the rest of the files, so I'm going to pause the video now. All right, as you can see, a bunch of documents have been uploaded. We have the canceled checks for the expenses. We have the Flagler County check, and we have the receipts for the expenses as well, all as documented in that spreadsheet. Since our final project numbers are different than the original budget approved by the District Share Committee, I must also update the Budget tab. Since the project is $100 under budget, we'll reduce the amount of the Flagler Beach donation by $100. And we'll also put in the actual expense of $400 for the wrap. And the cash flow is still zero. Please note that any changes in the final project budget may lower the amount of the district grant reimbursement. I'm now ready to tell DACDB the project is complete. To do this, click the Final Report tab. A lot of information is copied from your grant application, so this step is pretty easy. Review the answers to make sure they match the project as completed. The description should probably be the same. And put in how many people were actually helped by your project. I had indicated that no Rotarians would be helping, but it turns out that wasn't true. There were 2 fictitious projects. They created artwork and they shopped and negotiated with the dealer. And the rest, leave blank, it's all automatically filled in. Then click Save Final Report. And a PDF document of the report is saved in the Documents tab. It's just telling you that. And then you click Collect Final Signatures. That button will appear. Click this to submit your grant's final report to your club's leaders for approval. Once they electronically sign the grant, return to the club's grant page, edit this grant one more time, and click the Submit Final Report button, which is currently grayed out, but will be yellow when the signatures are signed.